So here it is. I actually cannot believe that I managed to get all of those working, but this is an SMD soldering kit that I've made for using at our hackerspace Bitroff. And the idea is that people will start with these big components over here and then go down to smaller, and then they'll do all these LEDs and resistors. And the smallest one, this guy here, is a 01005. It's 04 by 02 millimeters for R12. The LEDs don't go that small, but the resistor here is so tiny. It looks like a speck, but it's not. And if I use the screwdriver, here, I can tweak the speed of it. So all the way up until you can't really see it blinking. And all the way down. Pretty cool. So it's a great kit. I'll do some tweaks to it, and then I'll do another SMD soldering workshop at Bitroff.